We have another property for sale. This is 22,704 square meters at 300 pesos per square meter. Ras Cell, located in Badyan, Cebu. So this is the southern part of Cebu province, guys. Again, the location is the mountain upper barangay, in Badyan, Cebu. Less than 2 kilometers. Sobra pod sa usa ka kilometro. This is less than 2 kilometers. Flat and rolling terrain. So the good thing, guys, kay water, electricity, signal are available, and it is along the road and overlooking to the sea. So malantaw gyud nato ang dagat diri dapita, guys. Nindot ni during night time. It's really cold, no? Bugnaw, no? So ato yung gisuroy ang mga boundaries, no? Atong gitan-aw kung asa dapita ang mga boundaries ani nga property. Ang nakanindot ani nga property, guys, kay minutes drive ra gyud from National Highway. Then kung adto po kag dagat, if you want to go to the beach, dili pa kayo sa layo, not too far, no? Basta nindot kayo ang property. So atong gitan-aw ang mga muon. So wala, guys, no? That is our contact number. Then 091711333711 Viber or WhatsApp. Then you can email me at my email patursan@yahoo.com, and more properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. So nindot kayo nga property, guys. Pero rush sale ni. Usually, guys, ang pricing diri dapita is ranging already at 500 pesos per square meter. Bisan gani og init, guys, no? Ma-notice yun nato nga kusog bitaw ang hangin, presko kaayo. Mo nang it's really nice, very nice yun ang atong property nga gina for sale. Then you can plant usually, no, corn. Medyo bato-bato man ang yuta. There are some rocky portions of the property, but still can be planted. Dili masadingon nga bato gyud totally. Basta okay gyud kaayo, no? Nakita na to na barangay road, no? Portion of the property nagian gyud sa karsada. There is that is a barangay road nagian gyud. Pero gamay ra kaayo. It's a small portion of the property. Kung if ever kung maghimo kag 2-story house diri, guys, nindot kayo makita gyud nimo ang view of the sea, ocean view. So mala, no, that is the property, no? Dili man gyud ingon sa lantaw na to ang ocean view. So pertaining dota, guys, mga adjacents are planted by corn. If gitamnan og kuan. So ang rough road ani, guys, gamay ra gid kayo, only few rough roads, although the property na ay concrete road, no? Siguro ang rough road ani mga more or less naras mga 200 to 300 meters ang rough road. The rest are concrete road going to the highway. So there are also foreigners living in the area na ay mga mountain resort. So mo na usas mga possibility na ni appreciate na gid ang value aning yuta. Wala siya, guys, no? Kana nga road, no? That road is part of the property, no? So lagian yun, pero dili kayo taas mubo rasad. So that is a good thing. Naagi karsada ang property. So again, the location is the mountain or upper barangay of Badjan, Cebu, the southern part of Cebu province, which is around 2 hours or 3 hours drive from Tagbilar from Cebu City. 2 to 3 hours drive from Cebu City. So pila ra man na, dool ra man gyud na kay if ever no kanang mo travel ta sa kuan kana lang karkar 1 hour ra man gyud ang karkar basta wala like traffic. Yeah, you know, in this southern part of kuan Badjan, Cebu, nadiri ang mga white sand beaches like Mualboal, adjacent of Badjan, or Badjan itself, no, naapoy mga white sand beaches. Yan, very progressive town na po sila. So mana kinsa to'y ganahan mo acquire ani nga property, no, this one you can see the road, no, mo ni ang overview dire sa atong drone. So nindot kayo good guys, very nice property. So again, the water system na ara gyud guys, and also you can dig your own water kung gusto nyo kang mag kuan og tubig. You can dig your water like drilling, mapadrill kag tubig, pwede ra yun. Ana ra na siya guys. So mao na yato makita guys, no, ari sa ibabaw na kita natong island, isla sa Badjan. Then there's another island po na apo dito Pikas nga side. So mao na mga karsada nila, actually ug i-shortcut doon ra gyud kayo, but you know there is not concrete ba nga road, wala nga murag ni tuyok tagamay pero dili pakatuyok ka, dili pod ingon nga layo gyud doon ra gyud, nara gyapon less than 1 kilometer, less than 2 kilometers, sorry. So mao na siya guys. So kini gyud nga tungdan sa tong drone, mao gini ang property. So open field. Yeah, nay mga neighborhood, there are neighborhood. Nagyod. Adjacent. Although kuan guys, ang reservoir na water system naa sa adjacent ra gyud sa property, wala masulod, but it is adjacent, and also the electric post, it is inside of the property. So nasulod ang electric post naa sa property mismo. So nindot kayo, signal is strong, kusog ang signal, pwede ka diri mag online, work from home. So ana na, no. Kini portion, it is outside of the property na guys. Kini murag nilawom, that is not part diri na ta. Kini this one, no, start from the road, then kini this one. So this is the property, no. Mana siya guys. Kitang kita gyud. Nindot kanitam nagmais, corn is the best, no, and other crops pwede po, Pwede ka, you can have your goat farm or piggery or poultry. Pero I think you need to have a backyard kaya nabay mga silingan. Or gusto kag ginagko o magkuha na gyud kag permit. Pero pang backyard lang okay ra, pero ang goat farm wa may kinahanglan sa goat, okay ra magkaayo. Chicken farm kanang gitawag og game farm, so kanang para mga sunoy o mga pangtari, so okay sa ni guys. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.